Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
Foods for babies and toddlers with diarrhea. Babies and toddlers have a sensitive digestive system. Therefore, they have more chances of developing diarrhea. The diet for a child with diarrhea usually includes food items that are easy to digest and resolve the problem. Foods you should give when your infant or toddler has diarrhea. Breast milk will keep your breastfeeding baby hydrated and tackle his bowels movements. Probiotics are very effective in battling diarrhea. Give foods like curd, buttermilk or lassi, yogurt to your little one. Rice water can help your baby maintain the fluid levels in his body. It also helps decrease the frequency of stools. Ginger mixed with rock salt and jaggery relieves diarrhea and indigestion. Nutmeg powder mixed with water provides relief or treats diarrhea in children over 6 months and under 10 years of age. Lemon juice with warm water and salt make tasty and healthy lemon water and replenishes the body with the lost fluids. Cumin powder can also relieve mild gastric pain and indigestion. Clear veggie soup with a pinch of roasted hing and jeera powder is easily absorbable and improves digestion. Clear chicken soup is also a great option. It is easy to digest and nutritious for children with diarrhea. Coconut water has a lot of natural salts and minerals, along with natural glucose to cure dehydration. Khichdi or porridge made from sabudana is beneficial for diarrhea kids. Bananas help harden your baby's stools, thus relieving diarrhea. Mashed potatoes flavored with cumin seeds reduce gas and work on diarrhea. Pomegranate can reduce diarrhea in babies between 6 months and 5 years. Its leaves are healthy and easily digestible, as the batter is fermented. You can give this to your baby during diarrhea. Moong dal helps with stomach pain and diarrhea. White bread is made of refined flour that acts as a binding agent and doesn't have the fiber that encourages elimination. Bilva or Bel Wood Apple Syrup can help control diarrhea in babies older than 6 months. Foods you should avoid when your infant or toddler has diarrhea. Number 1. Dairy products except for curd, buttermilk and yogurt. Number 2. Fruit juices. Number 3. Fizzy drinks. Number 4. Raw veggies. Number 5. Sweets. Number 6. High fiber foods. Number 7. Dry fruits and nuts. Number 8. Fruits that start with P, peaches, pears, prunes, plums. Diarrhea can make you quite anxious about your baby. If your baby's health doesn't improve, contact your pediatrician immediately.